Hi, I'm Daniel and I go to Milpitas High School. I just did a lot of practice tests. I did some practice tests at home. Most of them were done at Excel. I just used the exam club for after my SAT course. It was pretty good. The reading coach gave me a lot of tips that helped me during the SAT. I don't think I would have passed the reading section without going to Excel. I learned that the PSAT was online like a day before I actually took it because I was like preparing for the paper test. So the day before, I did one singular practice test at like 1 o'clock a.m. and then I got up at like 6. I think I had oatmeal or something, and then I drove to school, and then I took the test, and then after the test, I went home and went to sleep. I didn't really feel anything. I was just taking the test. Yeah, I was pretty surprised. I remember I got up at like, I just got up at the normal time, and then I realized that PSAT scores came out that day, so I just looked at the score, and then I kind of freaked out. My dream college is Cornell University, but any of the UCs are also fine for me. I haven't really given much thought to that. Probably mechanical engineering, I think. I play in a youth symphony, and I volunteer at a humane society on the weekends. I started when I was like 6, I think. So I've been doing it for a pretty long time. I started out at, I think, the second lowest level at SJYS, and then I like climbed up, and then I got into Philharmonic my freshman year of high school, I think. Yeah, I would recommend Excel to my friends because it helped prepare me a lot, especially for the reading section.